guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have filmed a look on this blue eye makeup, ice cream makeup, which I'm going to call it. I hope you guys will really enjoy this video. I had so much fun filming this and using some new products that I haven't used before. So I did use the Morphe James Charles Palette for most of this look, and also the BH Cosmetics and Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette. I was really excited to play with both of those today, and I only really used 3 eyeshadows to create this look right here. So it's quite simple, but it's such a gorgeous look. This blue is just amazing. That pop of shimmer on the lid from the Daisy Marquez palette is my absolute favorite. I literally as soon as I saw that color, I wanted to buy that palette. That color literally got me. But I've been wanting to film a blue one for so long. It's been highly requested, so I hope you guys will enjoy. Don't forget to like it if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and press the little bell button below if you want to get notifications for when I upload. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. It will be a voiceover, seeing as I already did my base makeup in my previous video, just so I didn't want to bore you guys and we can just focus solely on the eye look. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want to find out how to create this look right here, stay tuned and just keep watching. So for today's video, I've already done my base makeup, which is the same as in my previous video, which was my date night glam. So I used my Clinique foundation, fancy powder, shape tape, all that good stuff. But yeah, so today we're just going to be focusing on the eye look, because this look has been very requested and I've been so excited to film this look. So yeah, let's get into the eye makeup today. Alright guys, so for the eye makeup, I've just zoomed you guys in a little bit more, because I noticed in my previous video I did not do that. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so I've been so excited to film this look using the Morphe James Charles palette. Yay! So excited. This palette is honestly a dream. Like, there is every colour in here to create every single eye look you can ever imagine. It's so beautiful. So this is what we're working with today. Look at those beautiful shades. You've got your neutrals, you've got your soft colours, and you've got your pops of colour, your blues, your greens, your pinks, your purples, every colour you can think of. It's such a versatile palette, and you need this in your life, especially if you're a makeup artist. You can always take this with you and you can always count on it. Bold transition shades, which you would always be using, so you get them in larger pans. You get your beautiful oranges, warm reds, everything like that, and your staple black, which is perfect. So yeah, let's get into the eye look today. So for today's look, we're going to be doing a blue eye makeup look. So we're going to call it the Ice Queen look. So we're definitely going to be taking these beautiful shades here, and I've also got another palette which I'm so excited to be showing you guys. As soon as I saw this, I really wanted it in my collection. I just had to get it. It is the BH... Oh, jeez. It is the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette. Now, it's Tiffany inspired, which it is her favourite thing ever. And just check out how amazing this packaging is, yeah? So you can take it off, it's just a magnet. Oh my god, my earring just got stuck. That's a bit awkward. Anyway, and what you can do also is you can turn it to the side and you can pop it just in there, and you can also use it as a... Oh my god. You can pop it in there also, and you can use it as a little mirror vanity, which is so amazing. I haven't seen any palettes like that before, so that is a really cool little characteristic of this palette that you haven't got in other palettes. So yeah, I was really excited to get this palette. The colours in here are gorgeous as well, so I'm going to be using a few shades from here, which are so beautiful. So yeah, let's get into the eye look. Alright guys, we're going to start off with this beautiful royal blue shade. We're going to be taking this as our transition, and it's such a beautiful colour to pop through the crease to really warm it up, and it'll be perfect to pair with the darker blue that we're going to pop on soon. I'll leave the exact names of the shades in the description box, but look how pigmented they are. It blended so well. So I'm going to take the darker blue navy shade and pop that in my outer V of the eye. Now this eye looks really simple, just using 3 shades. So we're just going to deepen the outer corner. So I'm just going to deepen and then blend the crease a bit more, and then just adding more depth as we go. Just taking my Morphe my MAC, sorry, 216 blending brush. And then we're going to pop on this light blue shimmer shade. Look how gorgeous, my god. I'm just going to apply it with my finger just all over the lid.
And then we're going to go over that with one of the colours from the BH and Daisy Marquez palette, which is stunning. Look how gorgeous this is, guys. So beautiful. So I'm going to pop that all over the lid. It just adds that extra pop of colour, which is stunning. I was so happy with the way that came out. But look how easy it was to create this look. So easy, you guys. So I'm just going to make sure I blend the crease and then the darker blue on the outer corner, just to make sure everything blends together seamlessly. And then I'm just going to take a flat synthetic brush and just pack on some of that light blue shade just to make sure it has the best impact possible. And I'm just going to line my lash line with my Master Precise from Maybelline and my favourite ever lashes, the Stella from Malika Glam. Absolute fave. So I'm just going to take the dark blue that we used on the top outer corner and I'm going to run that across my lower lash line with my Morphe bullet brush. And then the same with the lighter blue, and really just smoke it out just to bring the same shades from the top just down to the lower lash line so it's not top heavy. And then we're going to take that light blue shimmer shade and just add it onto the inner corner just to balance it out a little bit, open up the inner corners. I'm going to take my Rimmel Lash Accelerator mascara for my lower lashes, my holy grail for my lower lashes, you guys, you've got to try it. And I'm going to take that white pearl for my inner corner and my brow bone highlight as well. It's stunning. I love the way this comes out. It looks so nice contrasting against the blue. It's so beautiful. I'm just going to blend the outer edges. And then I'm going to take my Bite Beauty lip pencil. I'll leave the number in the description box below, but they are so creamy, you guys. I've never tried them before and they were so amazing, so I'm definitely going to pick some more up in a few other shades, just a nude colour. I'm going to take my Anastasia liquid lip in Stripped and apply that as well. Gorgeous colour.
Alright guys, so here is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. I really enjoyed playing with this colour. Like, blue looks so amazing. I'm really happy with the way the eye look came out today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and had fun watching me play with the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette and the Morphe James Charles palette as well. They're both amazing palettes and I'm so happy that I purchased them because they're amazing, so pigmented, so easy to blend. And this eye look only used literally like 3 colours, so it's really easy to create. Anyone can create this, even this shape of look with any colour, as long as you have like one matte transition, one darker colour on the outer corner and like a shimmer. Literally anyone can create it. So simple, not too hard as well, but I love that pop of blue from the Daisy Marquez palette. It is stunning. But those blues blended so easily, they weren't patchy at all. But yeah, I'm really happy with the way this came out. I'm really loving these vibes right here and my blue dress as well. But yeah, I really enjoyed filming this look for you guys. I will pop also a small tutorial on my Instagram on this look if you want to check that out as well. My Instagram is Vitelli. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like it down below and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Be part of the Vitelli fam. Ooh, ooh. So yeah, I also have an upcoming skincare routine video coming up soon, so stay tuned for that one. Don't forget to press the little bell as well if you want to get notifications when I upload, because YouTube sometimes doesn't notify people when new videos are uploaded. So yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video.